announcement of one of my friends and one of the sweetest ladies on YouTube, her upcoming collaborations, and the first one I'm a co-host, and I'm also running the playlist. So if you haven't checked out Grandma Sandy, run over there and do that. Her video will be much better than mine explaining everything. But my biggest importance is if you join June 1st, the Fairy Garden collab, make sure to put the hashtag Fairy Garden 2022 so I can find your video to put it on the playlist. That's all I care, because I'm running the playlist. She's like I said, she's the sweetest person on YouTube, one of the sweetest people on YouTube. She welcomed me in to YouTube and has befriended me since almost, I think, in my first year of being on YouTube. But anyway, she also has June 17th, she's having a butterfly collaboration. You can do a butterfly vignette, tablescape, whatever. And you know, I collect butterflies, so that's up my alley. If she needs me to run her playlist or help her with that one, all she has to do is let me know. Same way with June 30th, she's having a Fairy Garden Village collaboration. And if she needs me, I'm there. I'm her girl. I got her back. If she needs me to run her playlist or do her playlist, I'd be more than happy to do that. She just has to let me know, and she has to let us know the hashtags. But put that in on your calendar. Join us. Have some fun. It doesn't have to be big. It can be a small indoor, outdoor fairy garden. It's not that big a deal. I've seen fairy gardens in as small as coffee cups with just a tiny little fairy and a couple little things. It doesn't have to be that big of a deal. Just join us, show your creativity. The other hosts are Gigi's Creations. Grandma Sandy is the host, and there is so many. Design Your Creativity. Grandma Sandy, I messed that up. I know I did. I'll have it in the description box. I'll have the hosts and co-hosts in the description box. And Grandma Sandy's video, because she's better than me. Love y'all. I'm sorry I messed it up maybe, but I'll have it in the description box.